Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we are completed up to 22 problems. Let's start the question. The variance of first 50 even natural numbers. What are the first even natural numbers first? Xi observations 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on 98, 100. These are the first 50 even natural numbers. That means, what is n students? 50. These are formed in AP series or not? What is common difference? 2. Now find variance of 50 natural numbers. Variance is equal to, what is the formula? N square minus 1 by 12 into d square. This is the formula. Already you know very well. Substitute 50 square 2500 minus 1 divided by 12 into d square, that is 4. 4 3s are 12. Now this is 2499 divided by 3. Students, calculate this. What is answer? 3 8s are 24. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s. 833 is the answer. The variance of 50 even natural numbers. This type of question, one question given in September 2020. Out of 10 sessions, one question given. All the students of a class performed poorly in mathematics. The teacher decided to give grace marks of 10 to each of the students. Before giving the grace marks, they got less marks. How many marks they got, they didn't give it. Which of the following statistical measure will not change? Which of the following statistical measure not change? Even after the grace marks were given. So, whenever we will add or subtract of the observation, the mean is going to change. The mean is going to change, as well as median also is going to change. But standard deviation, that means variance cannot be changed. Okay, so median will go up to by 2. Here small hint I am giving. Standard deviation will remain same. That means variance also same only. This is conceptual question. Variance will remain same. There is no change of origin. So correct answer is second option. Harmonic mean of the numbers 2, 3, 4. Actually, if A comma B are numbers, then harmonic mean, that is equal to 2AB by A plus B. That meaning is 1 by 2 into 1 by A plus 1 by B. This is the meaning of that. Okay. A comma B are two numbers, then harmonic mean formula. This is, remember it. Okay. So harmonic mean of three numbers. How to write? 1 by 3. That means number of observation. Now first observation, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. This is harmonic form, mean formula. For suppose n observation given, how to write? 1 by n into That means 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C plus and so on up to 1 by Z. For suppose 26, A, B, C, D and so on, Z. These are the observations. How to find harmonic mean means in place of n, write the 26 because there are only 26 alphabets. Simplify this. Tell me answer. Tell me answer. 3 divided by, what is LCM? 12 now? 12 is LCM. 2 6 are, 3 4s are, 4 3s are. 12 is going to numerator, 36. Denominator is 13. This is the answer. Which option correct? Third option. This type of model important. In mains nearly 8 to 10 times given. Same model. They are changing the numerical values, their values. Now see how to find standard deviation of observations. What is standard deviation formula, students? First of all, sigma, that is equal to square root of 1 by n into sigma xi minus, here 8 given now, 8 whole square minus 1 by n into sigma xi minus 8 whole square. This is generally we are writing like this: 1 by n sigma xi square minus x bar square, that is 1 by n into sigma xi whole square. This is standard deviation. Okay, how many number of observations are there? x1, x2, x3 and so on, 18. There are 18 observations. Under root 1 by 18 into sigma xi minus 8 whole square value 45 minus 1 by n, that is 1 by 18 into sigma xi minus 8 value, that is 9 whole square. Now calculate this. Under root 45 by 18 minus, here 9 2s are 18, 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4. 18 4 means what is the LCM, students? 2 9s are, 2 2s are. 36 is the LCM. 36 is the LCM. 18 2s are 36. 2 into 45, 90 minus 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. Here we get 9. That means under root 81 by 36. That is 9 by 6. This is equal to 3 by 2. Finally, standard deviation sigma value, how much we got? 3 by 2. Which option correct? Third option. Now, see this. For two data sets, each size of 5, the variance are given to be 4 and 5, and the corresponding means are given to be 2 and 4 respectively. The variance of the combined data. Here see, one formula is there. This is variance of combined data formula. But identify the things. What is N1? Each of size 5 given. That means N1 is equal to 5. N2 also 5. Next, what are the means? X1 bar mean is 2. X2 bar 4. Next, variance sigma 1 square. How much given? 4. Sigma 2 square, that value should be 5. Those values substitute in that formula, you'll get the answer. Now I am going to substitute here. 1 by n1 plus n2, that is 10. n1 into sigma 1 square, 5 into 4, that is 20, plus n2 into sigma 2 square, 5 into 5, 25, plus 5 into 5, 25 by 10 into x1 bar minus x2 bar, 2 minus 4 whole square. Students, calculate this. 1 by 10 into here 5 2s are 5 5s are, and this is 45 plus 5 by 2 into the 2 minus 4 whole square means 4. 2 2s are 2 5s are 10. Totally 55 by 10. 55 by 10. 5 11s are 5 2s are 10. So finally, the combined variance of the combined data is 11 by 2. Which option correct? Second option. This is also important module.